Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Peter, as always. Today we are just going to pump the water from the nearby source to the nearby car wash. Here is the room. We are going to channel the electric from this socket towards the further end, the river. As I can take you through, these are our cables. As you can see, let me put it off first, since our cables are naked and our socket got some problems. Yeah, just put it off. Let me close the door. Security comes first when it comes to matter of anything. Guys, this is the cable that we normally use to pump the water. These are almost 300 meter, around 100-meter cable that we normally use, and we normally do the service all over. You can call us even when you are in Dubai. You can just come and pump for you the water. Yeah, as we normally do any work. Like, we don't choose work. Like, we do pumping water services, we do all plumbing services, gutters, fixing. Like, yeah, this is where we stay. We just up. Let me try. I'm trying to make this cable to come in the straight manner, but hey, it's kind of tough one. But I can guess nothing is hard. Let me open the stand and try to make it to record on itself. Let me see. Is it seeing me, or let me try. Hope you can see, guys. Trying to line up the cable. But it got some problems, which was all about the one who folded it last time. Nothing is possible. Under the sun, anything is possible. I think now we are in a position that we can do. Yeah, there we go. I think now we are in a position that we can go with our cables down the river. Yeah, let me try to find the other end. The cable is one, but the other part, God, we are in the river, guys. That's the sound of some birds. These are the neighbors trying to wash their clothes. It's a holiday season in Kenya. Children are out, so the matter of cleanliness is high, as you can see. Yeah, this is all about it. I'm trying to pull the cable, but kind of tough. But let me try. Nothing is impossible. Everything is okay, guys. Yeah, this is it. This is a certain rental where we normally connect the cable waters from the water to the source. Yeah. Oh, due to unavoidable circumstances, let me try to cut the video here, and we shall connect the other one and try to fix this cable to see how it's going to work. Okay, welcome back.
Yes. So you are trying to unplug. You know this one we call it
Is it bigger shot?
it can't work actually. We call it a control box. This one actually. It's the one that controls the watch. The bump from getting it or the damaged or whatever actually. This is the socket. So you can see. This is how we merge the watch. Bado hajaweka on. Ameweka kweli on. Hapa imeingia kuingia. Hapa kuingia nao ilikuwa imeingia kama yote. Kama yote kabisa. This one we call it the fraud switch actually. It's used to control either when you want to shut off the bump or to open actually. So we call it a fraud switch. Inapiga, haipiga ya. Hebu confirm. Kuna stima kweli?
Hii plug iko na shida.
Ama hii plug ndio iko na shida hii. Kama hii.
Fill it up. Jaribu kuiguza huko.
Ama nini ndio shida?
Mtaka mmeweka huko.
Si unaona ndio imewa.
Confirm.
Pita haipiti. Hiyo ndio na sense unless imen but I pick yeah. Oh ina. Inaenda. Ndio sasa inaenda. Sasa yanisaidie nini? Niwe ikuwe tu hivi. Sasa iko sawa. Oyo utasoka pata yenyewe haifanyi. Hebu panda na nini? Wenda angalie. Ngoja ndio hiyo inapeleka tu saa hii. Sisi sasa enda tu nini?
Okay guys, I'm trying to find another channel. The water is just flowing inside the pipe. As you can see, I'm just going to confirm with you up to the tank. The pump is for the company that we just went yesterday to window shop for Davis and Shutleaf. Yeah, the pump, it has a head of 115 meters and we are pumping beyond the pump head. It goes for, that goes for, this is our pipe, you can see it. Yeah, there we go. And the pump only goes for, and we are pumping the water around 150 meters. Yeah. Let me try rush with the time. We go and see where we are pumping water to. Yo, Nyaji. I'm just greeting the guy inside. He's sitting by the nearby shop. How we normally shop. The guy told me that there was a leakage somewhere here, and he told me that he has applied certain bladder that could stop the pipe from leaking. And I was like, guy, where is it? Let me try to find it. Here is the pipe, and that is our tank. There we go. As I have told you earlier, the water is going to the nearby cows. Yeah. Yo, ni aje? Hapa kuna mtu kweli? Hapa? Hapa.
Mimi ndo niko hapa.
Kwa kaoshi? Okay. Maji imeanza kukuja? Okay. The guy has confirmed with me that the water is coming. And right now, I wanna go up the tank just to show you how strong the pump it is. Yeah. And this is our bike, a motorbike that we normally use for transport services. Yeah. Nimeshika kamera kidogo hivi. Tunapanda tafuta. Uko strong, unapandaka kweli?
Huko tunapanda.
Guys, as you can see, this is the flowing of the water, and this is our pump doing some amazing job. Amazing, guys. As you can see, the pressure, still pressure is increasing, not decreasing at all. Yeah. From, as you can see, that was the area that we channeled the electric from, and this is the cow wash. As you can see, it is in the town, middle of town. There is a short leaf opposite, and that is the river. Let me try to zoom the river. You can try to elaborate. That is our rivers. The river source is the nearby river that never dries up, even if there's how the situation could be. That river never dries. And this is inside the tank. Well, let me try to be keen with my phone so as I don't lose my phone. This is the power pressure of the water. And there we go. This is our motorbike. You can test, bro. Unaweza test. He's trying to test his pump with the water, that if the flow of water is in a good rate, but yet it's still not in a good rate. They are trying to capture the attention of the customers. You know, when you are the salesman, you must attract the salesman. Umefungua gate valve yote? Gate valve umeifungulia? Iko sawa. So mzime tu nani pump kwanza. Unajua kuna siku ilichoma juu ikirani hivyo dry. Yeah. So mpaka maji at least ifike level yenye inafaa kutoka ndo mtapata. Guys, let me try to end this video here. Like, I'm going back to the river and we shall connect back. Okay, love you. See you guys. Yeah, boom. Welcome back. We are in the process. We are just trying to pump the water. It's down the line. It's 1 hour. We are on the way trying to pump. As you can see, the river is too busy. People are washing clothes. Some are fetching water. As you can see, that's Fred. Fred is sitting down with a certain man discussing about some political issues. As you can see, he's sitting. Yeah, and I'm trying to elaborate how things are moving right now. We are in the river. That's the pump. We have a certain pump that we want to test today, and it's down here. As you can see, it is for the Pedrolo. it was on a certain site that you normally we do hire services, like we have the pumps people hire from us and in affordable prices. Yeah, just come reach us through the number +254 07 98 20 5909. You can hire one, do the work, and you can enjoy the services. Yeah, guys, that is all about, because when you want to channel the water like from the river towards the nearest site, like you are building, and yet you don't have the pump, it's not a must that you go and buy the pump. You can hire one instead of going all the process of buying the roll of pipe, fittings, plus the expenses of the cable. You can do the higher services, like if it's a site which you are building. You can't tell me that you are going to buy the pump just for only for building like a certain, like you are building a toilet. You can't buy a pump to go and build a toilet. Or like you compare the manpower and the pump pumps water inside the tank of 5,000 liters within 2 hours 30 minutes. Yeah, that's the maximum price, because the tank is the far end of 130 meters. When you just try to pump the water towards that station, it becomes a bit high and difficult for a pump. But the pump make the work easier, because when you are pumping the water using a pump, it takes a short period of time. But when you try to use the local manpower, like just carrying the jerrycans, you can go up to 5 hours or 6 hours. Yeah, and the pump make the work to become easier and more easy compared to the manpower. Yeah, that is all about the video, and then I'm going to cut it down and we're going to connect it back when the water will be about to when the pump will be about to fill the tank. We shall connect the video and I will show you how the pump is going on. Okay guys, boom, finally the water is about the pump is about to fill the tank. As you can see, the level of water is on the peak, though the water is like, it sounds like too dirty, but not really, not dirty, it's clean. It's only that the condition, when you know the water from the river, when it's rain, it's changed the water normally change the color to certain color that sounds like that. But all in all, the tank is all about to fill up. And the size of a tank is 5,000 liters, guys. You can't imagine that. They are washing, everything is moving on, and now things are going on. Let me try to go back and try to talk to the Tajiri here by the name Musa. Yeah, we shall connect back, and I'll appreciate back, guys. Just do what, subscribe to our YouTube channel at Fred Omondi, and also at Kita the Plumber. We have 2 YouTube channels, by the way. It's only that one is not active, but the other one is active. I can try to go on top of the tank to show you the things, real vibes. Guys, did you see the flow? Here is it. On roughly about 1,000 liters or 800 to 500 liters, and the tank will be full. Guys, let me go. I wanna go back to the river, and they will call me back, and I shall put the pump off and test the other pump that we just collected from the other side, that was pumping the water inside the building and construction site. Guys, boom! People are doing a great job. You can see. All about washing, cleaning. You know, cleanliness is next to godliness. When they wash, you know that everyone has his or her own office. You know, if you own a motorbike, that is your office, and you must do cleanliness inside your office, and that is all about. Boom! Let's connect together. Let me end the video here, and we shall connect back.
Yes, we want to open that pump to see whether it will at least work. Huh? But you know it's very much okay. Okay, you wanna try actually to open it. 30x enable. Hey, it's too hard actually. Ngumu. Najua ilikuwa imelast. Ilikuwa imelast. Nisikie hivi. Sikia hivyo. Sasa tumulikie tu hapo hivi. Na vitu tunatengeneza. Okay. Hey. Hey, it's too hard actually. But I think why is that something like this? Why is that just a minute. It's too hard actually. Here?
So hakuna vile tunaweza connect tu na blada hapo.
Okay, what you can do actually, let us wait. Can you confirm what I ana kama hii sasa. Ile iko karibu. It's sawa ni just look that capture. Let them confirm one. Take it. Huh? Yeah. Yes. You're gonna remove it actually. That's the back from that water actually. So you're gonna give me that one. That's the backflow. The backflow of that water actually. Overflow.
Hiyo pipe itachukua maji back to mtoni. Penye ile pipe inaingilia itarudisha hiyo maji yote mtoni. Unaona sasa? Sasa wanasema wafungi. Hawana mali ya kufunga. Unajua tangi tumeingishia juu kabisa.
Donos bawab. Ini made in Italy. So you wanna connect to that one? Sasa tusaidie na hiyo nini? Tusaidie na hiyo nini tukaona itanini.
Yeye ndo anajaribu kuchunga maji sikuzi hapo.
Ready? Hiyo sasa itasaidia. Since tunataka bora hiyo itaingia ndani. Haitaingia. You know this is 3/4 and it's supposed to be nini? 1.25. Its diameter is 1.25 actually. But what we can do actually is to test, isn't it? So leta hiyo sirete bwana. Tuipige nini tu hivyo direct alafu nini. Ndio hiyo sirete.
Kuja na cable ya stima. Hakuna pliers.
Pliers nayo hatuna hapa. Hiyo ndio shida. That's how spring just bumping water now. You can see. That's how it's just bumping water. Actually, it's okay. It is okay, you know.
Sasa shida kusukuma.
Ngo tukuzane na waya.
Waya ndio najua sana. Mimi muoga kukuliko.
Now, you can see now.
Unajua hapo hivi. Nisipeleke hiyo cable kwa mtoni. Unajua hapo uko deep. Ina slide. Kuna soko nyingi hapo hivi. Sasa kitu tungepata ni
you know, we must open it so that in order to make it to work.
Kama angetaka it inafanya. Ungenunua GI socket.
Lakini sasa si inaweza sukuma tu bora ipate channel.
Channel. Si unaona pressure iko sawa?
Is it okay?
Hiyo pressure iko sawa.
Unaonaje hiyo kosa? Iko
Hata
chonjo.
nikileta ile ni connect hapa. Unaona pressure ni hiyo. Watu wengi sasa wenye napata pressure ndio ina push zaidi.
Ndio inapush zaidi. Sawa.
Now it's okay actually.
Imekuchapa?
Ndio kwa nini nipiga shock?
Now we are trying to test that pump, submersible actually, but we have seen that it's okay. Doesn't have any problem actually. So we have already tested it. It's okay now. Can remove it.
Sasa hiyo kama usikwataka kununua kwa Union ya GI.
At least there is to remove that.
Union ya GI. Sio unajua hapo kuna akiba. Ya wani, sio wani.
This sasa. Umesema inaitwa 1 inch.
GI Union. Basi ukifunga hapo
Now it is okay actually. It's only GI Union.
unafungua kama hii yetu hiyo. Tuna hii ni ya pipe PPR. Hiyo ni ya grain ni PPR. Sasa yako ni GI. Unafunga hiyo ya GI. Sasa utakuwa unafunga. Union ya GI.
80,
80,
100 depending.
Sasa unafunga hapo na
sababu chenye unaniambia mimi.
Oh, unataka tukufixie, si ndio?
Yeah.
It's okay.
Kama
sasa ndo ukipata. Ndio ukipata sasa pipe. Unafunga pipe kwa unaachia moja kama ile iko na thread kwa pipe. Yenye ina thread, yenye ina kama hiyo iko na socket ni.
So let us do this. Let us go and then we gonna come with them actually. Si uko hapo kwa nini? Si uko hapo kwa nyumba hapo.
Yeah.
Utakuwa tunakuja hivi. Anyway, baadaye.
Kutengeneza ni roll wire na
This is a live wire actually. You dare to touch them. You might see wonders actually. Yeah. Those things actually they are very. Now it is okay.
Umeogopa paka
Now we are just coming actually. Let us come with the union and whatever, so that we fix the way we fix the ours here. No, this is ours actually. Umeona yafanye skribu na nini? Nazishika ukati. Naona kama hii imeenda 12 nini yote, lakini tu ina nini tu, unaona.
guys, now we are done. I think this is the pump and I'm trying to fold the cable. I think we are done with the pumping. The water is now full to capacity. The tank was 5,000 liters. Time was 2 hours 30 minutes. That's the maximum time.
I think it's full back there.
Yeah, it's fully.
Everything is
Everything
okay
is
at this
okay.
moment actually.
And now we're gonna leave the river, collect the pump inside the house, and see what next. What we are going to do. Yeah, that's all about.
So
today's
let them subscribe,
work.
like, share.
And comment. Let us know what you are thinking about the channel, the work.
Actually, let them to be somehow faster.
Yeah.
Anyway, next time. The other time I think we will meet actually.
Yeah, we're gonna cut the video from here, but we wanna connect it back. Since the day is still ongoing, the work are just coming. Yeah, since God is the one who provides on the one.
Anyway, next time,
Nice thing.
Okay.